Hey folks, we continue to track Hurricane Laura in the Gulf of Mexico gaining strength. Folks from Houston all the way over to New Orleans getting ready for what could be a very significant storm probably tomorrow night into early Thursday. We'll get back to that in a second. Let's talk about over here for a moment because we did have some pretty good showers moving through the valley earlier today, but boy, the last couple of hours all that stuff has faded away. Radar was busy for a time. A lot of folks picking up a tenth of an inch, some picking up as much as an inch of rain, but now things have really quieted down in the last hour or so and not much left. And future track suggests overnight tonight it's pretty quiet, and tomorrow probably a quieter day than today. Mostly sunny skies. If there's a shower, it'll be very isolated tomorrow. The chance of rain is now way under 10%, so I think tomorrow looks to be a pretty dry day, as is Thursday and even Friday across the area. So 20%, that's it, but then Thursday, Friday, nothing at all. Looks like we should be dry for a couple of days with little to no rain around the area at all. Temperature-wise, here's where we are right now. Because of the showers and the clouds, we've stayed a little bit cooler. Data missing from a couple of sites, but we're 90 in Weslaco, 91 in McAllen, 93 in Rio Grande City. Tomorrow, it's a little bit hotter, back in the upper 90s, even over 100 in Starr County again. It's going to feel like it's anywhere from 105 to 110 because of the humidity. You look at the next 3 days, it's just getting started. 97 tomorrow, 100 Thursday, and 99 on Friday. Not going to set any records, but certainly above average for this time of year. Now let's go to Laura out in the Gulf of Mexico. Gaining strength as it moves into the middle part of the Gulf of Mexico. Here's a closer look at it, and you can start to see an eye developing in the middle of it right near the end here, just beginning to show up. Right now it's 480 miles southeast of Lake Charles, Louisiana. The winds are up to 80 miles per hour. Still moving 17 miles per hour right now. By 1 o'clock in the morning, winds are expected to be up to 100 miles per hour. A Category 2 storm. By the time you get to tomorrow afternoon, up to a Category 2 with 110 miles per hour. Right now, it looks like there might be a little bit of shear right before landfall up here, so that may slow the strengthening a little bit, but still, it's expected to be a major hurricane when it makes landfall. Winds of 115 or so. And again, this is the best guess by the Hurricane Center where it's going to be, but it could be anywhere in this cone, could be outside the cone. But generally speaking, this is where we expect this to be. And of course, the impact is much greater than that. Remember, it's a big storm sitting out here, so even Houston under tropical storm warnings right now because they'll be maybe on the west side of it, but they'll get some rain and some wind as well. Red areas, hurricane warning, so you can see where it's going to impact. And even by Thursday afternoon, still talking about a hurricane as it gets up around Shreveport and then moves off to the northeast from there and gets caught up in the westerlies and heads out to the Atlantic after that as a remnant low. You want to see the models, look what they do. And this is the Hurricane Center's forecast track. The red line, a lot of the models are still west of that. We'll see how things pan out, but the official forecast certainly east of what a lot of the models are saying, and then of course they all take off up into the North Atlantic after that. So for tonight, 76 for a low, partly cloudy skies and muggy, east-northeasterly winds. Tomorrow, the rain chance is small, but I can't rule out an isolated shower. Your high tomorrow around 97, winds out of the northwest. Northwest winds in August. That's because of the storm, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunny and hot on Thursday, sunny and hot on Friday. Saturday, I think we're still really warm. Could be an isolated shower or storm. Another little disturbance like the one that's here now sneaks in the second half of the weekend, giving us spotty showers from late Saturday into Sunday and Monday, and then it tapers off after that, and by middle of next week, we're mostly sunny once again. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.